This is the I121 smartwatch. It's a ruggedized AMOLED screen, beautifully designed watch with an integrated flashlight up here. Tap the button to light up the main screen, tap it again, bring up the flashlight. Integrated LED with a single button toggle on and off makes this one real easy to use anytime. When you slide down, you got all your different controls, brightness levels, music player controls. This is how you toggle Bluetooth calling on and off. Settings, do not disturb, information about the device. All of that's there. Slide over here, you get a panel with your basic information and most recently used apps. Sliding up gives you messages from your phone, and this way you get your data for the your step count, calories burned, distance traveled through the day, along with a 24-hour chart and your last 7 days. You've got a heart rate here. It does continuous heart rate readings for you, and you can take incremental ones as well. Here it is on. Took it off for a while. We just started the review, and now it's picking back up again. Sweet. Last night's sleep time information shown basically here with more details in the app. Weather in your area with a forecast or current conditions, and then an integrated music player that you can tie in with your phone to play music directly through your watch as well. All of your different activities, walking, running, and you can change these out from the app to put your favorites in there, and a little opportunity to change the order of all of these if you'd like to too. It has a robust app drawer here with all the different things that you can play with. We cover those in the full review. Double tap and you can change the different display opportunities for all of these apps. Several different ways of doing it, and like this in a direct line. So, yeah, female information in here, ladies, if you want something like this on your arm. Lots and lots of good stuff. It is easy to change the watch faces. You can pick out different ones, digital, analog, you name it. It's called the I121 with integrated flashlight. Check it out. Wow.